Sonia, how many land you get? Even you don't get anything for Nigeria, you don't even get anything for abroad. Now tenants now you see there. Only God know for a Dioma see there that house. Because woman when follow man, they has every day saga. You go day live video for more than 8 hours. We know they hear man voice. Even if you know you want to show the man for video, we never hear and talk past one day. We never even hear and ask you question one day. We never even hear one man sound. Or maybe you go even say ciao, buongiorno, come stai, or giarrivato, or dove andare. We go even hear man. You know you are a single mother. Sonia, you are a single mother. You not get, even courage the Papa Jiro is no longer with you. The man don't meow. The man don't. Even for Italy, if you still die, you not buy land for yourself. Or you not even buy land where they want bury you put. You not do anything for your life when you dey alive. Even when you go don't buy, you not do anything for grand. You don't still do anything for grand, Sonia, blue hair. If you die, Italian will borrow you, they'll borrow you their land for 1 week. When everybody don't come up for that, they'll go dig your grave, come out. They'll dig the grave, come out. Don't make the useless. They go dig you, come out. They'll go burn and go throw away your bone for river. And they say, oh Betty, you they come mama in and oh shower. You were useless. You want to use your totote when lire. Umami abebo ya bebo Sonia. You they come mama here or ashewo. You want useless. You will be the shell lady of a boss. You will be ashewo when do ashewo. The only land, the only thing when you acquire, you sell at a smoking bow. If Nami be your picking, you guys said boy. Mama, when the big shame and disgrace come, why you and your daughter when they Germany not they talk, Sonia? That your daughter when they Germany. Why they pursue you? Why she with her husband pursue you? You go like can't tell us. You go like can't tell us. Who go even wish me person like you, Sonia, be their mother? Guys, double tap for me. I know someone that give me gift. Who go wish me you, person like you, the way you go carry Igbo, they praise Igbo. You know they even praise your children like that. They do Igbo, they praise Igbo. Mama, this one a mother, oh. This one a person, mama, oh, Sonia. Blue hair. Uwe siele, uwe bielene, move one, uwe mwejene, uma mwo yegwe. He can't he don't be Sharon. But at least he marry Vigene. Thank you. God bless you. Let it see. He don't be Sharon, he marry Vigene no bien. He marry Vigene no bien. No mune de ko. No bien la jana mwe. Sonia blue hair. He marry you. He marry you. They may ever of you. But of you, what don't of you when? Oh, you went on you when who got who wet out in Ayamueji. Dana Muedi Uba. Oh, when you want to our leg grave you see the hurts when your Pikite describes if you die. He's saying go put you for tyrants. He's saying don't see anybody when you useless rich mama. We can't tell her making enter us. Oh, Vasa be like us. Busy body like us. Now we no pass. Percy come out to come bring her the shame and disgrace of your mama. We say make the boy enter us. We say make the boy enter us. You don't get anything when you do for your family. You and your family members don't they play. No man is the useless blue hair. Now your mama or I watch. Yeah, oh, when make me vex. Make she bring the evidence when you take accuser. He saying go live a no gay, love a no gay. Now you in one beat. I been a no gay prick. Now ain't there this woman eye. You they talk? Blue hair. Et te no ye mo blue hair yet no ya gwali vi biele kaknya. No ye wait till this system camera no ga do vi o haroparo. No ye kiani ye zegeri you ba Morocco. You they talk? You say saga too much for me last year. So I saga too much for me. I don't really get your time that last year. I don't really get your time. But I have your time now. Sonia blue hair, I have your time now. Now TikTok, they bring people up. Moderator, apart from Europe gist. I have your time now. My friend, Mama, where you they talk, saying, so I bully and insult. You know insult the woman. You ever think, say, she be your fellow woman? Sonia Blue hair. Hey, I work at Papa Jiro. Single mother no your family ero webo. Igbo and one of Italy. Ashawo egelire. Name nothing. You don't get nothing to your name. Now only you want to say do ashawo for this country. Umaya kokemo, umaya kokame, umaya kokodo, umala wodo, umaya bogwa, umaya aki, umamia beboya babo. Sonia Blue hair. Okay, deneni biye kanari mwe no nwa rovi. E no nwa inwa ngbe. Iwe weni. I don't bother me not time away. Because who wa? Ijimen we ga rovi. Ijeme delotone mon. Ijeme bogwa. Ijeme magbashawo. Ijeme majawebo. Ebo ma yo bomuni jeme wen. Ebo ma yo bomuni jeme onisan. Ebo ma kulo bo jeme e. Ebo ma munu jeme nu. Ije no bietbe. Ona itose ona guese igwale kino mose imweji. Inwa no eni iga ti ovan because ye gon enene. Iga imu flower no mosese iwere gbe mu gie because ije no. Sonia, even metave gbije na. Can any of your child say it about you? Ije no gie. He has a total. Eko if you ame is a geri go gie mien. Debi no kon wen we. Ko wa ti bi omo we ya no musebe ya. Ibe di go gie we no de. O ma no me. Hey, o ma no me. Iwa totally ari go gwa Sonia. Blue hair depression woman. Iwa total ni ari go gwa Sonia. La do wona eri go no dey. Because uma kokomo. Uma mutiana mo. Uma me no mo. The only thing what you mo. Thank you. Una me mo be na yagbe Morocco eh. Me na yagbe Morocco eh. The only thing what me mo eh. He has a total idolantry. He the god imubai. Imugije doroti no ga. Ije no gi. Normally shame and disgrace gume. I bet Sonia. Your pikin don't ever buy you pants. You want talk. I tell you yesterday say come out. I know say you be bingo, you go to come out. Because you know the year word. Uga si Morocco ne, ugu me nwa. E Morocco ne you gba wakansi. At 56, I be 57, who you see Morocco. Oma gwe ban. You be one of the yeye mothers when they are abroad. You be one. They're supposed to give you a word of the most useless mother. When it has nothing to her name. The only thing she have to her name is Igbo. In Morocco. I don't see so many women that go to smoke weed. But once they don't they born, they go come live and say, you even hear they go say, when I get belly, now I stop to the smoke because of my picking. Hi! Sonia, what do you do because of picking? Now you they come out. Now you they talk. Now you they come out. You will see they follow me, they do 360. You will see they follow me, they barbe, they minao. You will not add respect to your age and your name. You when they follow me, they do 360. You say, make I respect you. How now? How? When are you more fitter? Why you fitter begboa? When are you more fitter your phone? I don't settle with a lot of people for this apple. Because one, you know, nowhere people know the quarrel. If me and you get normal quarrel, say na normal quarrel we get. We not go far. Yes. There's possibility that Yahweh sure we must come back. People there when me, I just look the setting, I'll just block them. Because I don't want to really get issue with them. I don't want to see what that they do make it not provoke me. Me, I not going to come out for them. Because if I don't love person, I don't love them. If you don't find me, I not go answer you. But you, the boy, baby boy, obey one of Deutschland. Sit at home daddy of Agen City. Ojige Foundation, one of Deutschland. After 4 children, no document, one of Jenny. Ona gbuwe. Ona gele gbuwe zanzan. Ona vivwere. If one have vie mi no oya gbuwe. Now the boy you dey defend. Now you want us to make I get respect for you. You will not respect yourself. You will not get respect. You come out to insult in your own mama. Because you do a shower for Italy. Not missing I saw every mother be a shower. Sonia blue hair. Because you come Italy, you can't carry Igbo for 30 euro, 20 euro. Take the buy Igbo. The only thing you use to achieve for your life now to satisfy your urge and anything you want. You know missing I saw every mother be. You say who beats you, you don't forgive that one. Say now who testify against you, you know who forgive. And whereas this girl never testified against you. People don't even come where you did to tell you, say not be here and oh. Not be this here and oh. Yet you say you know one year. They call the woman. Say now the woman to true key, Papa. You say make me respect you. You say make me respect you. When you come out, then they quarrel with sit at home daddy of Germany. Or Bewen one of Agen City. Say what did you talk no good? When making your own go that far. You can't come out, you want fuel them the more. You want add more problem. You want because you don't die. You don't already die. They find one kill you. You want add more problem. You say whether not be the woman to kill your own husband. If he easy, how come you never kill your own baby father when they testify against you every day? Your baby father when they call for 3 hours. Your children, Papa, when they all call for 3 hours, they testify against you. If he easy, buy your own, may your children life for better. Maybe if their papa die, their life go better. Or may you die, make their life better. You come out to tell say, he's working. Then who I say because you don't get bread to think if you don't smoke Igbo. If you don't smoke Igbo, you don't get brain. May we not have woman like Sonia, blue hair in our life in Jesus' name. May we not have them as a family member. May we not have them as our mother in Jesus' name. You are shame. Your shame, they shame other mothers. Your shame and disgrace, it they shame other mothers. You are nothing to write home about. Somebody call woman like you names. For you to come out and condemn the arts, you come out, you can't fool around the more. Now the egg you wear. When they shame and disgrace, what's your ego up and down? Honor your complete. Shame and disgrace where you complete Sonia blue hair. Now you they want give juju paper. Who? Igbobian. When not the day on our right senses. When 24 hours of the day na Igbo na she dey smoke. Now you person want give juju paper. Why? Why person go dey waste your time? Wasting energy for somebody like you blue hair. Who want wasting energy? Your saga go long. You see this here? Your saga go long. Now you the one give juju paper. Have a aquodimosekia. Aqua sawo bote ya. Don't know waste time ya waste go ya mabok bugwe. Which other ebo pass your pikin come out to toss it to when they take bona. He made son you go shoot a stick for the toto. Which other? Cause they pass that one. I beg, una won't be mothers. The kind cause when God cause blue and Sonia. Make God not cause una like that too. Say picking one a born come out for toto, one a carry for 9 months. Hours. Take push and come out. The pikin go come and say you toto when they take burner. He made son. Say the toto, he go shoot stick put for the toto. Oh. Uzon we mi roke. Hey son, you are old Jamie. Toto when they take burner. Mesono. He wants to stick put. Now you they come at the top say, get MK. They talk say he sleep with person. Hey, Mike, shut up. Your bed va gunwe. And so, she not get right. She not get right. If she not get the right, how come your son get the right? To call you a shawo, call you useless mother. Say if you tired, make motor they pass your grave. At least Emike never compete in mama. Emike never saga in mama or your family member. But your son does saga you. Yeah. As enoge ogwisti o warish. He never bully mama one day. He never open platform sit down to bully his mother, his own mama. But he bully you. He saga you. He even carry your pikin, come make it testify against you. Make people tell no say what in they talk. Not true. You join one of the reasons why I know get the way he did today. Because the beating was massive. The beating was massive. Now you take clamp. Imagine what your pikin can talk about you with so much anger. Ije no gele kokomo. Yes now. Now matter. Now no get a grow. Now matter no get a blow. You see that evidence? You see that thing of bringing your children to come and talk. Now no get a blow. Sonia, nothing you go tell me. My shame and disgrace not near your home. Your shame and disgrace carry Guinness Book of Record. It carry awards. Your shame and disgrace. They even give you Guinness Book of Record. They don't invite you. You never hear. Make you come collect your award of the most disgraceful mother, the most shameless mother. When our children don't come out, come disgrace for public. Guinness Book of Record, they call you Sonia blue hair. They say you can't take award. Because for the life of Guinness Book of Record, no pikin don't ever toss say toto when they take born they want chook stick pull say the toto me sono. We don't know whether they open leg for your pikin o. We don't know. Because what your pikin could describe about you, about your body, we don't know. Sonia blue hair, come collect your award. Because for this entire life, we never see pikin describing mama private parts. And yet, now you the call person mama ashewo. Yeah, ashewo gilino. Yeah, ashewo gilino. But yet, now your pikin come this TikTok. So come tell us who are you sono. Mama, I beg, fellow Nigeria, una don't see una mama bekus because I never see my mama bekus. Wow. I don't know as my mama bekus bio. I don't know how come Sonia Blue hair song. Can't know as my mama bekus bio. Because the boy come this TikTok last year. For bearing one of Deutschland. Baby sit at home daddy one of Agen City. He come me platform come describe mama bekuso. Me ma no now. Now only that boy don't come describe mama bekus for this apple. And as Sonia Blue hair bekus they describe oh. Waiting some polo and luckiness cover for you last year. Now this year you want it time. You see that thing when those people make sure say it don't happen to you. They hold the thing make it not happen to you. Now this year, before I saga you, I already called them. And they don't give me go ahead. They give me go ahead. Go on, do it. Your beating go long. Since you want to defend your beating go long. Your beating, your pasha don't come out, we don't see them. Your beating go long. For those people to tell me, go ahead, go and do anything you like. Your beating go long this year. Now those people save you last year. Those people too save you. They pin everybody down. They stop everybody from doing all those things to you. But this year you go collect a Wortoworto. Because the only thing when they look for your body, don't come off for road. The people when they look for your body, they don't come off for road. As Bra Bobby defend you reach for this app. They don't, because of you insult Bra Bobby. I have never seen you defending him one day. You know, see I say they do you. You know, see I say they do you. I said they insult you, Sonia. I know they heavy me for much. I don't know why. Because your pikin feel insult, you know heavy your pikin for math. Me will be a robber and a roe. Now not go feel insulting when go heavy me for math. Your pikin beats you for this app. For my entire life, for the years I've lived, I never see pikin describing mama private parts. I've never seen a child. I've never seen a child that describes the mother's private parts. Except for Sonia's son. Blue Hair's son. That's the only son when don't ever come out to describe the mama private parts. I have never seen. In my entire life. I have never seen. You are the only mother, you are the only woman. When the pikin come out for social media, say Toto when they take boner. Pikin even get pikin, boy for that matter. Boy pikin. It happened. Are you not on this app last year? Were you not on this app last year? Not be saga they do. Oh. Now truth they talk. Oh. Were you not on this app last year when they brought the guy up on a Wiz platform? Jesus, yeah, truth of God. Yes. It talk for live video. Say mama Toto me son. Say if you see mama, you go shook stick for it Toto. This is a man. A full-grown man or not a child. A full-grown man was saying this about the mother. Say mama na ashe way, mama na this one. The only house where mama be, mama not train there, mama not take care of them. His sister they Italy to they Germany to they not be mama carry her. Na banana person even help his sister. Say in for country when in there today. Na in law. Na in mama na to smoke it go. The only property when mama get from Nigeria, the only house when mama get, say mama sell them. You get children, why you go sell one property? Only one property. When you get children. Property when you build. Sonia, if you can't tell us when you sell that property finish, what do you use and do? Which business you use and open? I beg, what do you use and do for here? Use and smoke it go. Only God know if you not get small boys when they spend money for. He say if your mama die, if they carry mama cars, which you know go feel possible, he go put in mama for tie road, make car for the pass in mama grave. Blue hair. Now so your pikin to describe you. And he said a lot. A whole lot. Now you want come out to tell, say, MK, woman do this one, shut up. You train your children. You train your children, and then they come out to talk about you like that. Your children get home training. They get respect for you, their mother. Who hear you, they talk, say, oh, Guane, oh, na mama. Are you a mother? Sonia Blue hair. Are you a mother? You train your pikin. Now your pikin if you come out to talk to you like that. You train your pikin. You train any of your children. Now your children useless. You smoke igbo. Your pikin they smoke igbo. If your pikin tie, you go tie. Sonia for old age, you go sit down for live video. Mama, mother, you go sit down for live video. You go tie igbo. Okay, you go tie igbo. You they say go they talk. You go to Mino, it's utter what's here, or we in ring. He goes for live video. Me, you can't get mama like you. I go beat you. I go beat you if I get mama like you, Sonia. Ash, I'll beat you. I go beat you. Then they call me Ole Vino today. Nobody go fit talk and say yes. Ogelemwe Vino, I'm here Vino boy. And they call you Bobia today because you do it on live video. Even when you are making ordinary video, you they do it. You be Bobia on a normal, on a steady. You they talk to MK. You they talk to your own mama. When you not fit train any pikin. None of your pikin get home training. Because pikin will get home training, you not go beat your mama for public. Your son they beat you, 6,000 people we are watching. 6,000 people we are watching. When your son we are leaking your secrets. In the evening of it decided to go bring the papa me and the papa can't testify. Some polo and kidnappers they block the way. They go call the boy because now one of them. They met the boy for phone. They tell us if you dare come out to talk about your mother again, or you carry your papa go that platform to talk about your mother, they go send me go remove your papa for us. They tell the papa for phone, say, pa, they won't send me go remove you for us now. Since now you the fool this thing, now you the send your son, make it go to disgrace your mama for public. Sonia, ungrateful element. Now what did they do for you be that one? Now what did they cover for you be that one? This guy stayed for more than 3 hours, pinning your son down, quenching the anger in him. Your son said a lot. If na no gay, we they deal with for court that day, they no gay go record every of their conversation. Because that one, you not get anything. You not get anything. They found what you want to popular for TikTok. Say that I no gay that they call with. Now be respect what go forever get for those guys. If now you're a no gay that they call with that day for 3 hours. You blow nena. You what blow never TikTok. Any equalo or well or the word be Jacques Bada, je one more boss asi. Or the Jacques Bada do Ryokbo or they record of evidence. Or evidence. Say I no get that they call with that day. You know say your own be don't finish. Your own still finish because we don't even know whether it exists for this app again. You the same may not get when you defend today. You know, I know where you they come from. You don't come here ask me something about what I say I don't get them. You call me now. You forget. You come here ask me something about Gina. When you because you know say yes, I get it. I know who you be. I tell you say I don't get them again. Yeah. You forget, Sonia. If you by yourself come out to tell the world, what you come here ask me for a no game. When I think fast, even with anger and everything, I quickly say, no, I don't get them. I don't get them again. I get them. I don't forgive you because I don't trust you. I don't forgive you. But if they come at the defendant today, you don't get no say if you want to do that thing. So, blue, Igbobi and one of Italy. You know say if you want to do that thing. You know, say if you come here ask me something about him. Be real. I love real people. I respect real people.